Hey, I'm Sergio. Today we're gonna talk about gymnastics. What is the skill? The back handspring. What is the back handspring? I'm gonna divide the skill in 4 important movements: the jump, the bridge, the handstand, and the snap down. The jump is the fuel of the handspring. It's the one that actually gives you the power. If you fail in the jump, you're probably gonna finish doing a very weird back bend. The best jump is the one who looks as natural as possible but powerful at the same time. So how do you do the jump? What you need to do is just do a very simple natural swing with your arms, and you need to bend your knees a little bit, no more than 90 degrees, in order to just jump back. If you squat too much, you're not gonna get the power that you need. So what you need to do is you swing, bend your knees, jump back. If you have the right equipment, you can always jump, swing with your arms, land on your back, and it has to be flat. You have to land flat. Number 2, the bridge. It has to be coordinated with the jump. The bridge is gonna be in the air, your arms and your legs are gonna be straight. Like that, you're gonna get a shape, a half circle. If you can't do it in the beginning, practice is gonna help you to dominate that. Make sure that your arms are by your ears and do not bend your arms and your legs. You need to work on your coordination, but with practice you're gonna dominate it. 3, the handstand. Handstand is probably the most important skill in gymnastics. You will see it everywhere, and back handspring is not the exception. If the bridge is good, in the air of course, you're gonna end it in a nice handstand position where your shoulders and your hips and your legs are gonna be in line together. Make sure when you do your handstand, try to feel that you're pushing with your arms. You need support. If you pike too soon, the handstand is not gonna work and you will fail in the handspring. Number 4, the snap down. Finally, we're going to the last phase of the handspring. The snap down is when you're pushing with your shoulders and then just whip with your hips and legs in order to land on your feet. That will give you stability and you're gonna be solid in your handspring. You need to actually push from your shoulders, whipping with your hips. Make sure that your feet land first on the ground. Like that, you're just gonna be able to stay up and you're gonna look good in your handspring. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you like it, you should subscribe and share with your friends.